Hello friends, myself Deepak Kumar, and today I am going to talk about what is the funnel marketing. Funnel marketing is a strategy that explains the customer journey from the first time they hear about a product to the final purchase. And this is a called funnel because at the top, many people enter as a visitor or audience, but as we move down, many few people become a customer. So this process is to help businesses to understand customer behavior and guide them step by step towards buying. So the funnel marketing is very important in the digital marketing. So what are the main types of a funnel marketing? Funnel marketing has a five main types: awareness, interest, consideration, decision and action. In the awareness stage, people first learn more about the product through ads or platforms like Facebook and Instagram. In the interest stage, they start exploring and learn more about it. In the consideration stage, they compare it with other options and check reviews. In the decision stage, they decided to buy, often influenced by offer and trust factor. In the action stage, they complete the purchase and become a customer.